Hello friends, so in this video I will show you how to fix strip threads in a bolt hole. I have a strip hole here which is an M6, so what you can do is either go up a notch, so that means for M6 the nearest one would be M8 and that one would be pretty big, so I cannot use that. Second option that I will show you is to use helicoil to fix the threads. So I have bought a set. First what you need to do is drill up the hole with the included drill bit, which I already did. Now we need to create new threads using the tapping tool that is included as well. So I will do that now. Put a bit oil, make sure that it is straight so the threads are created properly. Once you start the threads, it's pretty easy. I should be nearly at the end. Yes, seems that I'm at the end. Okay, it's important to put oil, so as you can see all the gunk from the threads for the cutting threads is sticking there if you have oil. Okay, the best thing would be use the compressed air, compressor, but since I'm doing this at home I do not have that here. So okay, the threads are now clean. Okay, so now use the included tools and the helicoil to create the new threads. So I will load this helicoil with the tool, just like this. We have to adjust this ring so it is flush with the coil, so that it doesn't stretch, as when I press it down. So now press a bit and start winding the coil inside. Okay, now once the coil is starting to screw in, you will feel a resistance, so do not press too much. Just turn the handle so the coil gets loaded inside. Okay, and load the coil until it is a bit below the starting point. Okay, that should be it. Oh, it's pretty tight. Okay, now use the tool, the puncher tool, to break the head that is inside. Okay, and that's it. I will now have to take out the tool. Okay, let me try to screw a screw inside. I have here the M6 screw, and as you can see, the hole is fixed. That's it.